to our next class, students. Now these are the worksheets which you are supposed to do. Clear? So let's go through it. Worksheet of perimeter. Define perimeter. See children, what is perimeter? The perimeter of a closed figure is the sum of the lengths of all sides. That is, perimeter is sum of all sides. Outer boundary. Perimeter is outer boundary of any figure is called perimeter. Clear? Then after define area, all of you are familiar with area. Area is defined as the surface of the region inside the boundary. See, the region which is inside the boundary, that is called, this whole is what? Area. Distinguish between area and perimeter. As I told you, perimeter is outer boundary. See children, this outer boundary is perimeter and the surface enclosed in this boundary is called area. Clear? Now perimeter of the square is equal to sum of all four sides. If it is a square, if you add all the sides, sum of all the outer boundaries, that will be what? Perimeter of the square. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Clear? Where L, this stands for length, B stands for width. See children, these are various questions based upon area and perimeter. Clear? Which you need to try. Clear? And so this question you can leave as the diagram is not completed over here. So up to question number 7, you have to try these questions. Clear? And I'll send solution of these questions in your class group. I'll send. You can go through all the questions. Clear? And pick off this also. I will send in the class group and try to solve these questions on your fair notebook. And very soon I'll be sending solution of all these questions. Let us discuss one or two questions. The side of square is 5. See beta, side of the square is 5 centimeter. Side is given. Find its perimeter. See, since the case is of square, what is perimeter of square? Sum of all the sides, or 4 multiplied by side. So what will be perimeter of this square? It will be 4 multiplied by 5. 20 centimeter will be the answer. Second is find the perimeter of rectangle. Length is given, width is given. Put the value in formula and find the answer. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length and width is given. Again, you have to put these values in formula and find out perimeter. Find the perimeter of square. You know the formula, put it. Find the perimeter of given figure. That you can find by adding all the sides. 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Same way, this also you can do. In this question, all the sides will be 5 centimeter. It is a square. Clear? So go through all these questions. As I told you, 8th question you can leave as the figure is not completed. So solutions I'll send in the class group. Thank you.